What constitutes a master-level project work? The purpose of undertaking a project work during a master's degree program is to be able to apply the theoretical concepts learned in class to real-time problem solving. The emphasis is on application. Let us see a few examples related to the domains of business management. Researching on the potential of a recently launched or to-be-launched product would come under the marketing function. Adopting the tools of technical analysis to forecast the future price movements of a selected portfolio of stocks would come under the domain on finance. Measuring work-family conflict among IT employees would come under the domain of human resources management. Suggesting remedial measures to minimize delays in project completion would be considered under operations management. Profiling customers based on digital footprints would be related to business analytics. These are just one example each for popular domains. There are plenty of such topics to work on, since the industry is either working on continuous improvement or trying to solve a problem. A master's level project can contribute to both problem solution and/or continuous improvement. So, you may identify a topic or title to either problem solving or continuous improvement. After identifying either a problem to solve, or for continuous improvement, the next step is to look for a robust methodology that will help achieve your desired objective. A robust methodology is one that is reliable and repeatable, and is available in reputed academic journals and textbooks. Searching for the same is known as literature review. The purposes of review of literature could be varied and is significantly different for a master project in comparison with a doctoral level research. At the master level project, the purpose of literature review is limited to and inclined towards the choice of an appropriate and robust methodology that would aid in finding a solution or improving a solution. It is an established quality principle that if the process is correct, the outcome is correct. This is true for your project work too, hence if you are able to identify and use the appropriate and robust methodology, you can be sure of suggesting a reliable and robust solution. At the master's level, a research gap could just be limited to identifying a related product, service or attribute on which the methodology had not been earlier applied. For example, if there exists published literature on technology adoption model, TAM, having been tested on the adoption of smartphones in a developing country, and if your problem definition is about the acceptance of laptops with touchscreen, then you can adopt the same methodology as in the TAM publication. You may frame a set of hypotheses that arise out of your research questions. The answers to the research questions will direct you to the solution of the problem or towards continuous improvement. The results of testing the hypotheses, with appropriate statistical tools, will lead you to the solutions for the stated objectives. It is also strongly recommended that the research instrument, such as the questionnaire, is adopted from published literature. This would establish the usage of a valid research instrument. Please collect data from a sample that is truly representative of the population and one which is relevant to the purpose of your study. Consequent to data collection, choose the appropriate statistical techniques to test your hypotheses. The results of the hypotheses testing will direct you towards suggesting or recommending solutions and improvements. Hope these guidelines help you in the successful completion of your master level project. If you have any queries, please feel free to post them in the chat box and I shall try to respond.